Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Now let's see. What do I have in here? Pen. Yep. What else? Pencil. Nope. Book. Nope. Ruler. Nope. I've forgotten all my school supplies. Oh no. What am I gonna do? I've forgotten all my school supplies. What am I gonna do? Oh, Fizzy, I've forgotten all my school supplies, and it's our first day back at school. What am I gonna do?
Just calm down, Phoebe, and let's think. Let's see what you have in your locker. Oh, a plushy unicorn. You don't need this, Phoebe.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, the squishy. Well, we definitely don't need that.
That was squishy.
Now, what else? Whoa, that's perfect! Play-Doh! We can use Play-Doh to make back-to-school supplies. Whoa! Look, Phoebe, a bingo card. And look, it has all the supplies that you are gonna need.
Whoa, that is awesome, Fizzy.
Miss Hands, we're definitely gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Phoebe, you sorting out your locker?
Yeah, I forgot all of my back-to-school supplies, Miss Hands, and now I'm going to be late for class.
Yeah, we can't have that, Phoebe. Not on our first day back.
No.
So we are gonna make DIY Play-Doh school supplies.
Now that's an awesome idea. Let's see what's inside Fizzy's locker and then we'll know what to make for Phoebe. Whoa, this is a kind of messy locker here, Fizzy. I think we need to organize it as we go.
Then I can find all my supplies easier.
Exactly, Fizzy. Okay, team, let's get crafting our school supplies. First, we're gonna make a piece of paper. And I'm gonna take this white Play-Doh here and roll it out. Here we go. A little bit longer, I think. Perfect. And I'm going to use my ruler here to make the edges straight. That's that one. And I think I'm just going to roll it a little tiny bit more to make it a bit wider. There we go. And straighten that up. Now let's just move these little pieces over here and put our paper down there. And if we look at our bingo card, our piece of paper is there. But there are no words on it yet.
I'll definitely need to write in English class.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I have something in my bag.
Oh, thanks, Fizzy. Let's take a look. Ooh, look, we have a pencil. And that is on our bingo card too. We need to make one so that Phoebe can write on her paper. Let's put it down there. Now, first, we're going to take a little bit of yellow like this. Squeeze it off. We don't need too much. And we're going to roll it. I'm just going to take a little bit off there. And next, we need to put this little bit here, which holds the eraser at the back. And we're going to squish that on there. And now, our pink eraser. Make the same kind of shape, but it's going to be kind of flat at the end. And that goes on the end like that. Squish it down, make it square. There we go. And this part here is the bit that we sharpened, so we need another little bit on the top. And we're going to use a bit of this. And that has a kind of pointy end because we've sharpened it. And if we look closely, Fizzy's pencil has a little black point on the end too. That's the bit we write with. So we're going to take a little teeny piece of black like this, roll it around. It's so small, look at that. And that bit goes on the very tippy top. And there we have our pencil.
That's so awesome! It looks like a real pencil. Can I try it? Fizzy, look! I did that!
Whoa, Phoebe, that is super cool. Oh, look, our bingo card has a P and an F on it. That means that we can tick that off.
Let's add the paper and the pencil to Phoebe's locker. Here's our paper. In it goes. And here's our pencil. Let's put that in too.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna be late to math.
Oh, we need a calculator, Miss Hands. Could we make one, please?
Absolutely we can. Now this is going to be a little more complex, but we can do it. Let's take this pink Play-Doh here and I'm going to roll it out again into a rectangle shape. And we're just going to square it up a little bit with the ruler again. Take that side off and this side here. And on the top here, I'm going to fold this over. So this is the part where we see all the calculations. So now we have the shape for our calculator. I'm going to put it over here. Just tidy that up a little bit. And we're going to take some white Play-Doh to make the buttons for the numbers. And here we go with our ruler again. Take that off and that off. This is so we get nice straight lines. And I think I'm going to cut it into 3 like this. Like that. And then we're going to make our little squares like this. And we take those bits away. Okay, time to add them to our calculator. Let's put them on here. There's 1. There's 2. So now we have our buttons, we're going to make our screen. And I'm going to use a little bit of this gray here like this. And again, we're going to need an oblong. Ta-da! Doesn't that look awesome?
Oh, Miss Hands, does it work?
Give it a try, Fizzy.
1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, these numbers are on our card, Miss Hands. That means that we can tick it off.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome for math class.
It will, Phoebe. Let's add your calculator to your locker.
Uh-oh, that's art class. Now, what do I need? Oh, I need paints and a paintbrush.
Ooh, so we need to make a paint palette and a paintbrush. Let's start with the paint palette. And I'm going to use, I think, some of this light brown. This is a good color. Pinch off a piece like this, and we're going to roll it out flat. Now, because it's a strange shape, I have this little stencil here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to put it on my Play-Doh like that. And take my little plastic knife and gently cut around it. So now we need to make the little holes for the paint to go in. And I'm going to use this tiny round cookie cutter. Push it down, give it a twist. And I'm going to pop that out with my little finger. Oh, there you go. Let's do another one. Okay, so we clear away the extra pieces that we don't need, and we're going to cut out our colors. So let's just place that up there a little bit, give us some space. Let's start with red. And the last color I think should be yellow. There we go. And there we have our paint palette with all of our colors.
This looks awesome!
I'm gonna paint so well in art class.
Yeah, and now we just need a paintbrush.
For this, I'm going to use the brown again to make the handle of the paintbrush. Then we need to add a little bit of gray here at the end so we can hold the bristles onto the brush. And finally, some white for the bristles themselves, the thing that we paint with.
Yay! We have our paints and a paintbrush. Give it a try, Miss Hands.
Oh, let's do it. I'm gonna dip it in the yellow. Oh, it works, Phoebe, look.
Now we have art supplies ready to go. Oh, bingo card? Can we see if we've completed everything?
Oh, I love it. I can't wait to get painting in class.
Yeah, Phoebe, and you have English and math supplies too.
Yay! I am never gonna forget my school supplies ever again.
Well, Phoebe, let's put them in your locker to make sure.
Your paint palette and your paintbrush. Phoebe, your locker is ready to go.
Awesome sauce!
Let's tidy up the first shelf of Fizzy's locker. Okay, let's tidy up the next shelf of Fizzy's locker. And Fizzy, should we get yours completely cleaned up?
Good idea, Miss Hands. We can use some fizzy magic. Are we ready? Join in with me. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. They look awesome.
We are definitely ready to go back to school.
Oh,
The bell. I'll race you to class.
Phoebe, you are on. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you.
next time.
Hey, wait!